All right, before we jump into this video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, turn that bell on, and give me a big old thumbs up because that's what we do over here. All right, so y'all know I gotta start this video off with a cup of coffee. So this is how it all began. I'll go ahead and put my water in my kettle and I let that thing steam. Just look at it for a second. Yeah, that's just about right. Open that thing, girl. Go on and pour it. Won't he do it? Yes, it would. Look at that thing go. I mean, it's just so satisfying. Look at this. Look at it. That coffee is looking light and right, y'all. Don't get it twisted. Shanna's Mother Loving Coffee. Instagram and Snapchat is Shanna's Nation, ShannaNation. If you're not following me, go ahead and head on over there and follow me. Candle smelling right, coffee looking right. All right. Look at that. You can't deny it, especially if you ain't tried it. I make the best coffee. All right, I'm just saying, hey, Bob. That's him on my shirt. His name is Bob. He just wanted to say hello, and let's get to it. All right, get that refrigerator open, girl. We got things everywhere. I mean, like, everywhere. We're going to try to get this organized, but being that I'm not the most organized person, we're going to try. But what I do know is we're going to take everything out and clean this refrigerator down. Okay? So, basically right here, I'm just saying thank you guys for the 500 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway video. So, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, make sure y'all bells are on so y'all notified when I post that giveaway video. All right. Let me play some music for y'all. Peace. All right, so right here, I like to go ahead and take a little bit of bleach and a little bit of soap and some water and kind of like wipe everything down to go ahead and make sure everything is disinfected. That's pretty much it. I'm really simple. Like, what up? My bad. I just wanted to say what up, what up, what up. That's what that was about. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe everything down and basically basic. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Hold up. Oh yeah, I'm just emptying out the drawers and I walked away for a quick second. But I'm back. I'm back just like that. Let's see. If y'all like these voiceovers, let me know. Like I would do more, boo boo. All that stuff I got in the sink trying to go ahead and clean. Mm. Let me tell y'all the listen, I procrastinate. I am a procrastinator. And I like to do this, or well, I try to do this at least like twice a month. But listen, it be happening like once a month. I'll go ahead and try to wipe everything down. Cause y'all know when y'all got kids. If y'all got kids, y'all know what it is. And if they're allowed to go in the refrigerator whenever they want, when they without asking, then y'all know how it is. They stay spilling something and they don't even clean it up. Like they just spill it and keep on moving. So, I mean, my refrigerator wasn't that bad, but it definitely needed a cleaning in spots that y'all probably didn't even see. But then again, maybe y'all did. Uh, I think so. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe everything down, and I'm gonna go ahead and play some more music for y'all. Enjoy. So basically, I grabbed the camera and started talking about how I'm such a procrastinator and I really didn't want to finish because I'm a procrastinator. And let me see. Yeah, I was definitely procrastinating. Let me see. It looked like I was procrastinating. Oh, hey, Bob. Hey. Let me see what else. Oh, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Oh, them two shells right there. I didn't bother to take that out for the video because I literally just cleaned that. I just cleaned it, like literally. One of the kids spilled something up there that just couldn't wait. So we're gonna get back to it. Am I doing a freezer? Oh, I'm doing a freezer now. Okay. Let's get some music. Okay. All right, so I finally got everything up out of there, wiped everything down, big old thumbs up, and I guess I'm just putting everything back, and we're gonna see how it turned out. Stay tuned. All right, so let's see. We got the freezer all cleaned out. Look at that. Okay. Everything's organized now. I got all the frozen stuff. Well, vegetables and fruits. The stuff I can put in the oven, like fish sticks and stuff, all at the bottom rack. You know, some little sausages that the hubby like, and some open peas already. I just sat there. Focus. Focus. Okay, focus. That's pretty much it. I don't have much in there. I got all the drinks on the first shelf, some eggs, some apples right there, a little bit of leftovers right there, some salad. All the greens go right there. And that's nothing but like some limes, some potatoes and onions, cheese and butter, sauces, milk, and more sauces. I think that's the most organized I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna go overkill because, like I said, I'm not the most organized person. And right here, I think I'm saying something about something. Leave a comment down in the comment down below. Let me know how y'all organize y'all refrigerators because, listen, a girl is lost. And on this channel, I'm not going to do nothing but keep it real. I'm not going to put on a front for the camera. I'm going to let y'all know me for who I am. It's either you're rolling with me or you're not. Y'all heard me? I just be killing myself, y'all. I do. Anyhow, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to say that I did clean out my refrigerator. That goal was accomplished. It's done, and I'm proud of myself. Me and Bob. Whoa, whoa. Let me go ahead and wipe down the front of this refrigerator, y'all. Let me do that. So let me go ahead and grab my rag. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Girl, where you at? Where you at? Get the rag. Let's go. I definitely cleaned off that microwave afterwards. That microwave was like, it was all over the place. So I went ahead and zip my rag and that water mixture of stuff. And I'm wiping everything down on this refrigerator, especially them handles, because these kids be putting a sticky old hands on these handles, and it irks my nerves. It's not even just the handles on the fridge. The chairs. Oh my God, y'all. Listen. They be eating and stuff, and then they be putting their hands in their food, and then got a nerve to put it on the back of the chair. The back of the chair. But that's beside the point, because we focusing on cleaning off this refrigerator, y'all. This refrigerator is being cleaned. It's practically done. The video's almost done. We're almost done. And thanks for watching, guys, because I appreciate ya. And if I didn't say it in the beginning of the video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, turn that bell on. I will be doing my giveaway video pretty soon. I actually have it. I just have to edit it and then post it. That's it. So when I have a day off from work, that's what I will be doing. Thank you guys for the 500 subscribers. I'm still wiping down this refrigerator because I want to make sure that it's clean. I mean, like clean, clean, girl. Circular motion. Circular motion. Mr. Miyagi. Hold up. Wipe on. Wipe off. Hey. Wipe on. Wipe off. Hey. Wait. What I'm about to say? What I'm about to say? Haha. All done. All done. If y'all like this video and if y'all like this voiceover, let me know down in the comments below, because I can do more voiceovers. I mean, I can get used to this. Let me see. Look at that. That looks so much better. This make me want to actually clean my refrigerator more. But I ain't got the patience. This literally took me about an hour or two. Maybe 2.5 hours. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm a procrastinator. So the video's over. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Make sure y'all bells are on for any videos that I post in the future. Thank you guys for vibing with me. I'm out.